Black's objective here is to kill white. It's not super complicated, but black needs to be careful. So there are some conventional moves, like clamping here. It's a nice endgame move, and it doesn't work here, because now white should capture here. Right, if white plays here, hoping black connects, this is 2 eyes, but the problem is that number 5 can be here. And white will die this way, or this way. So that's why number 4 must be here. If black destroys this eye, white can build another one. Black can't come in because this is a connect and die. And of course, if black plays from this side, white can live this way. So 1 and 3 actually doesn't work. So you might be thinking this move, but here that actually doesn't work, because now clamping here will result in a connect and die for 3 and 7, and this will be another real eye for white. Of course, here's another real eye, and white is alive with many points. So you might want to think about reducing eye space this way, but white can actually play this move, and it's perfectly alive, right? There's just no way black can destroy this eye. Black can no longer come in here. So that's why number 1 doesn't work either. So you might want to try this move. Now, white must capture. There's no other way white can live. And now the great move is right here. This is a really neat move because it's threatening to connect back. So white must play this to prevent black from connecting. Otherwise, black can connect, and white will have no eye space left. Playing here doesn't work. Black can just Atari and capture number 4. So the only way for white to prevent black from connecting back is this or this. And both of these moves fail to reduce black's liberties. So that's why number 5 can be here, and all of a sudden this eye will become a false eye. If white plays here, black can Atari, this eye will be gone, and obviously this way, this eye will be gone as well. So white is dead this way. But there's one problem with this sequence, or with these moves. The problem is that whenever you see this shape, well, this is more or less accurate, and you're counting on black eventually standing down here in number 5. There's a problem, because white can play this bend first. And this is extremely annoying, because we're talking about a ko here. So if black blocks here, white can start this ko right away, right? Number 6 can try to start this ko. Black will have some local ko threats here. White will play this. Sorry, this will be, black will probably want to connect here. It's another local ko threat, but it's one possibility, right? Like white is trying to capture these and move out, break out of black's enclosure. Or white can just now prevent number 3 from connecting. This is an approach ko for white. Of course, black has to capture first, but white needs an extra move here on the inside, right? White cannot connect now because, again, black can Atari, and white's eye will be gone. So white needs an extra move here. That's why it's an approach ko for white. An extra move is required, and if white wins this way, it will live. So black can play 2 extra moves on the outside instead of just 1 ko threat. But it's still a possibility. Similarly, if black plays here, then this will once again be a ko. This is not an approach ko. This is just whoever wins this ko will decide whether white lives or not. So number 4 is actually a very sharp move. So how can black prevent it? And it actually lies in move number 1. Number 1 should be here instead of here. So this is also threatening to pull out this stone. If white plays elsewhere, black can just stand down. White can't come in this way, and black can capture this stone. So that's why white can either capture here or block here. Pushing here, this will be, now white cannot play this ko, and black will succeed with number 5. Similarly, black can succeed with number 3 here, and this will be the same. So once we figured out that this is a good sequence to play, but white has a ko, to eliminate that ko, black just needs to play here on the first line. So we're arriving at a correct first move very late in the process, but this is the thought process behind this problem. Not very easy to find, not very easy to anticipate the ko, but that's exactly the key takeaway from this problem. I hope you enjoyed it. Good luck, and thank you for watching.